Tomato sauce, also known as salsa roja in Spanish or salsa di pomodoro in Italian, can refer to many different sauces made primarily from tomatoes, usually to be served as part of a dish rather than as a condiment. Tomato sauces are common for meat and vegetables, but they are perhaps best known as bases for sauces for Mexican salsas and Italian pasta dishes. Tomatoes have a rich flavor, high water content, soft flesh which breaks down easily, and the right composition to thicken into a sauce when stewed without the need of thickeners such as rocks or masa. All of these qualities make them ideal for simple and appealing sauces. In countries such as the United Kingdom, India, Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa, the term tomato sauce is used to describe a condiment similar to ketchup. In some of these countries, both terms are used for the condiment. The first person to write about what may have been a tomato sauce was Bernardino de Sahagun, a Franciscan friar from the Kingdom of Spain, who later moved to New Spain, mentioned a prepared sauce that was offered for sale in the markets of Mexico City today. The first Italian cookbook to include tomato sauce was written by Italian chef Antonio Latini and was published in two volumes in 1692 and 1694. The use of tomato sauce with pasta appeared for the first time in 1790 in the Italian cookbook by Roman chef Francesco Linardi. A simple tomato sauce consists of chopped tomatoes sauteed in olive oil and simmered until they lose their raw flavor, seasoned to taste with salt or other herbs or spices.